Digital marketing. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels and technologies. It encompasses various online marketing strategies and tactics aimed at reaching and engaging with a target audience through digital means. Digital marketing leverages the internet and digital devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and social media platforms to connect businesses with potential customers. Some common components and strategies of digital marketing include search engine optimization, SEO, the process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. This involves keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical improvements to increase organic, non-paid traffic. Search engine marketing, SEM, paid advertising on search engines like Google, where businesses bid on keywords to display their ads prominently in search results. The most popular form of SEM is pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Social media marketing, promoting products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. It involves creating and sharing content, engaging with followers, running paid ads, and utilizing social media analytics. Content marketing, creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and informative content, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, etc. To attract and engage the target audience. The goal is to build brand awareness, establish thought leadership, and drive conversions. Email marketing, utilizing email to communicate with prospects and customers. It involves sending targeted emails, newsletters, promotional offers, and automated email sequences to nurture leads and drive conversions. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers or individuals with a significant online following to promote products or services. Influencers endorse brands through their content, social media posts, or reviews, aiming to reach their loyal audience. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates or publishers who promote products or services on their platforms in exchange for a commission on sales. Affiliate marketing is performance-based, and affiliates earn a percentage of the revenue generated through their promotional efforts. Display advertising, placing visual advertisements, banners, images, videos, on third-party websites or platforms to reach a broader audience and increase brand visibility. Display ads can be static or interactive and are often targeted based on user demographics and behavior. Mobile marketing strategies specifically designed for mobile devices, including mobile apps, mobile-optimized website, SMS marketing, and location-based advertising. Analytics and tracking, monitoring and analyzing digital marketing campaigns using various tools to measure performance, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions for optimization. Digital marketing offers businesses the ability to reach a global audience, target specific demographics, track campaign performance, and engage with customers in real time. It has become an integral part of many companies' overall marketing strategies due to its effectiveness and wide-ranging capabilities. Thanks for watching.